Good morning, friends. I am Sri Pavitra, IT Coordinator and Assistant Professor of Computer Science, Maharani Science College, Mysore. Today I will be showing how to quickly get the links from the response links from the Google Forms and how to upload it in the college website. So log into your Gmail, go to the forms. So first I would go to my drive where I have all the forms. Click on one particular form. Let us go to the first form, feedback from students on syllabus. Open the form. You can see the questions and responses. First, go to the settings. Disable see summary charts and text responses. Disable it. Click on save. Go to the more. Click. Select print. Before that, you need to go to responses and then go to more, print. You can see the response in the chart format. So here you need to click on publish analytics. A pop-up will appear. Say OK. And again go to responses. Go to more button. Print. So this is the response which you have to link in your website, college website. Copy the address of this page. Select this, right click, copy. Take a Word document and paste the link in the Word document. Copy the title of the form so you can remember which form's link is that. Okay, so in the same way, try for all the remaining forms and save it in a Word document, and you will be having like this. You would have collected all the different forms address links. Now let us upload this in the college website. So have this document. Now you have to open your college website's admin page, which I have already opened. If you open the college website, you would get the admin page of the college website. You will get the dashboard. So here in the dashboard, go to the content and menu tab in the left side. Click. Go to menu management. We need to add a new menu for feedbacks. Give the category name of the menu. I already have added a feedback and the links. I'll again do it for you. So let me call that as feedback links. So type the menu name, feedback links. This link will come under the parent category root, and you have many links in the root, many menus in the root. Totally 12 menus are allowed here. Just give the number as 12, showing that it is the last menu. After giving the menu sequence, you say save. Now if you open the college website, you can open it from here itself. Go to website, click on it, a new tab will open. So here you can see the recent menu that we have added, feedback links. So the menu has been added. So again go to the admin page. So here we need to post the links here. So we need to create a new post. Go to create new post under the content menu tab. Click on it. So here we may give the option as view responses. You need to write a brief description about it. Let me write it as click to view the responses of the various feedbacks. So here under the detailed description, we need to paste all the links that you have already captured. So now here, open the Word document where you have saved all the links. Copy this. First one, feedback from students on syllabus. Go to the admin page, paste it here. If you want, you can make it as bold, underline, italic, etc. So the title is given. Now you have to paste the link. Go to the Word document, select the link, copy the link and paste it here. Again here, once more, you select the link. I want the link to be in bold, so select the bold. And then you have an option here, insert or edit link. Let us click this. Whatever you have copied, the link can be viewed here. Now let us say here, open in new window. So the feedback form will open in new tab window. Select this and update. So the first feedback response has been done. Now let us go down. So this page, whatever you have designed now, it must appear in feedback links menu, which you have just created. So just scroll down. All these are the previous menus that I've already created. You need to look for feedback links. You can see here the last link, the last item here. So feedback links, and then content status in the website. You have to post, approve, and you have to publish it. So select this and say save. So now let us again go to our college website. We have modified everything. So again click on refresh button, or you can also click on home. Now go to your menu, feedback links. Just click here. Click to view the responses of the various feedbacks. Okay, it is present here. Click on read more. You can see the first item that I already given here and the link. Click on this. You will be able to see the response of the first form. So this has been uploaded in your website. Do the same procedure for all the different responses. Then your website would look as this. I have given as one more submenu, view response. So here I have added all the different responses. So this is the way to add the links to your website. If you need more information, kindly check out the description menu below. Thank you.